Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable dark mode on Sweatcoin account. So we're going to switch to light mode. So first we're going to go to the Sweatcoin app, then click on social, then click on our profile icon, then click on settings. Then as you can see the appearance option, it's on automatic. So we're going to change it to light mode. So from now onwards it's going to be in loud mode. So this is how you change it. We have also other tutorials on our YouTube account. I hope you guys go and check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.